Welcome back, dear students. Today we will be starting a new topic in English grammar, that is Unit 5, Gender. So whenever we are discussing about a gender, there are two common words that comes to our mind. सबसे पहले हमारे mind में दो words आते हैं, that is male and female. For male we are using a term masculine and for females we are using a term feminine. But gender is not only about male and females. Here हम सिर्फ मेल और फीमेल का डिस्कशन नहीं करते हैं. There are various types of genders. So in order to understand that, let us read the definitions. The definition is a noun that stands for a male person or animal is said to be of masculine gender. For example, gentleman, father, brother, prince, king, boy. So वो नाउन जो किसी भी मेल पर्सन या एनिमल के लिए रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं उन्हें हम मैस्कुलिन जेंडर बोलते हैं. Now here are some examples, that is gentleman. We know that gentleman is a male. It is not a female. Then father, we all know that father is a male. Brother is also male. Then prince, king and boy, these are all males. So जब भी हम किसी मेल पर्सन के बारे में बात करेंगे, we are going to use a term that is masculine gender. Now let us read about the feminine types. The noun that stands for a female person or animal is said to be of feminine gender. वो नाउन्स जो किसी फीमेल पर्सन या एनिमल के बारे में बताते हैं उन्हें हम फेमिनिन जेंडर बोलते हैं. Now we can take some example to understand it better. Example is lady. We all know lady is female. Then mother, your mother, my mother, they all are female. They are not males. Then sister, we all have sisters and sisters means बहन, so they are generally female only. Then princess, Rajkumari, they are generally female. They are not male. If they are male, they are using a term that is prince. Now queen is also female. Then girl, most of the students that I am teaching are girls, so you all are female. However, those which are boys, they are masculine gender, and those which are female, they are feminine gender. Now there is one more type of gender. एक और gender होता है जो male और females के अलावा भी होता है, that is a common gender. Now let us read the definition to understand about common gender. A noun that can be used for either male or female person or animal is said to be of common gender. कोई भी noun जो या तो male या female दोनों में से किसी के लिए यूज़ किया जा सकता है, चाहे वो male या female animal हो या person, उसे हम common gender कहते हैं. For example, teacher. Now I am a teacher and I am female, and you know some other teacher are also there who are sir. So sir are male, but we are using the term teacher. हम आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर रहे हैं कि टीचर मेल है या फीमेल, हम एक कॉमन टर्म यूज़ कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ अ टीचर. नाउ फ्रेंड, वी ऑल हैव फ्रेंड, सम आर गर्ल्स एंड सम आर बॉयज़. सो वी आर नॉट टेलिंग कि फ्रेंड फीमेल है या मेल है, बट वी आर यूजिंग अ कॉमन टर्म दैट इज़ फ्रेंड. देन सोल्जर, we know that soldiers are there in the army, so there are female soldiers also and male soldiers also, but we are not telling कि male soldier है या female soldier है, and we are using a common term. Then animals are also of male and female, but we are not telling whether the animal is male or it is female. So this is how three types of genders are there. Masculine gender is for males, feminine gender is for females, and common gender which can be used for both male and female. Masculine nouns जो males के लिए यूज़ करते हैं वो masculine gender होते हैं, जो nouns females के लिए यूज़ करते हैं वो feminine gender होते हैं, और जो noun या तो male या female के लिए यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं वो common gender होते हैं. On the basis of this, here is a warm-up exercise which we will do so that we will be able to understand it better. Read the sentence and write the highlighted words in the correct column. So here we are having three columns. First one is masculine, that is for male, then feminine, that is for female, and common gender, that is for either male or female. So what we are supposed to do, हमें इन एक्सरसाइज में जो highlighted words हैं उनमें से masculine, feminine और common gender find करना है. Now let us start doing it. The gentleman standing near the table is my father. So here the first word is gentleman. So who is gentleman? Gentleman male होता है. So that is why gentleman will be masculine noun. Gentleman को masculine noun में लिखेंगे. Now let us write the answer. Now the next word of the sentence is my father. So fathers are what? Father are also male. So they are masculine gender. Again we are going to write father in masculine gender. Then he is a teacher. Now teacher. इट कैन बी कॉमन. हमें नहीं पता कि टीचर मेल है या फीमेल है, बट हम दोनों के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ अ कॉमन जेंडर. वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट ओवर हेयर. नाउ the lady beside him is my mother. We all know our mother and we love our mother. So mother is a female. So that is why we are going to use feminine gender for mother. Both of them are teachers. Now again, teachers. Again it is a common gender because we are never sure whether it is a female teacher or it is a male teacher. Now let us move to the second sentence. That is, I have a brother. Now what is brother? Brother is a masculine form, so that is why we are going to write it over here. Then and a sister. We know sisters कौन होती हैं? Sisters are female, so that is why it will be written in feminine form. We are going to a fancy dress party this evening. My brother is dressed like a prince. We all know prince are there and prince are male, so that is why we are going to write it in masculine. Masculine में हम prince को लिखेंगे क्योंकि prince male है. My sister is going as a princess. Now princess is a female, so that is why it will come here in feminine gender. Then I am going as a soldier. Now soldier, as I told you, soldiers are present in army. Soldier male भी हो सकते हैं and female भी हो सकते हैं. हमें नहीं पता कि ये soldier male है या female है, so that is why it will be written in common gender. Then last one, many other boys and girls. Now boys are male. All the boy students are male, so they will be the masculine form. Then girls, they are female, so that is why they will come in feminine form. There is a king. Now we know who is a king. Kings कौन होते हैं? Kings are generally male personalities, so that is why king will be written here in the masculine form. Then a queen. We know queen is whom? Queen is female, so that is why queen will be written in feminine. Then and some friends are dressed up as animals. Now friends, you know we all are having friends. Some are girls and some are boys, so it can be used for both, so that is why it is a common gender, and we are going to write friends in common gender. Are dressed up as animals. As we have studied in the example that animals can be common gender because we are not sure कि हम female animal की बात कर रहे हैं या male animal की बात कर रहे हैं, so that is why it will come in common gender. Likewise, you have to do this exercise in your book, which is given on page number 21. Till then, take care of yourself. We will meet again for the next session.